Welcome back to CNC training video. Today I'll show how to make this simple 3D design for the beginner. So here is a 3D beginner exercise design. So here is a rectangle. Length and width is 150 millimeter, and here is two circles. Center of rectangle circle is outer diameter 70 millimeter and inner one 15 millimeter. Okay, and here is four pattern of hole. Here is base hole diameter 15 millimeter and one center to another circle center 112 millimeter. See, and here is circle length 150 millimeter. Okay, and here is a four slot pattern that is 30 millimeter. Okay, and upper one is 8 hole pattern is diameter 15 millimeter. Okay, let's try to make this. First I choose new interface and I choose front plane and sketch. See, first I choose center rectangle. Okay, 1 and 2. Let's define. First, here is rectangle length 150. Here is square center. Okay, and inner rectangle here is 120 millimeter. Okay, and inner one is construction geometry. First click this, and also three line is make construction relation. Here is okay, 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, here is construction geometry. So now inner one is construction. Now I choose circle, four circle, 1 2 3 4. Okay, and all circle is equal. Make relation equal. Okay, here is circle diameter is 12 millimeter. Okay, now I choose the another two circle and start from origin. Okay, let's define first. Outer diameter 70 millimeter. Okay, and inner one 50 millimeter. Okay, our 2D design is ready. Let's make this 3D. First click feature. Here is option extrude boss face. First click base. Here is thickness 10 millimeter. Reverse direction. Okay. See, our base is created. Now I make is hollow hole. And again click extrude boss face. Here is option part 2. And click here option boss extrude and click sketch. See, and then click is outer hollow shape, and here is length 150 millimeter. Okay, See, now I show his top plane and sketch. Okay, now I show here is center point slot. Okay, let's start from is here. Okay, let's define first. Here is a slot width is 30 millimeter and length 100 millimeter. Origin to this point here is 100 millimeter. Okay, and here slot length is 70 millimeter. Sorry, here is 50 millimeter. Okay, now I cut this. First here option extrude cut. Okay, and direction one is click. Here is option throw all both. See, here is a both cutted. Okay, so now here is two throw slot cut. Now I need is three pattern. First click this. Okay, select this all. Okay, here is very important option says here linear pattern. Here click need to circle. Here is circular pattern. See, I need to three patterns. Just mention is three and click this circle. See, here is automatically converted into pattern. See, it's pattern of created. Okay, and again select here is top plane and sketch. Now I need to here center of circle. First define one circle. Here is circle diameter 15 millimeter. Okay, and distance origin to center of circle here is 130 millimeter. Okay, and then click this point and hold control key this center, make relation, make vertical. So now fully defined. And again feature option here is extrude cut, and option here is through all both. Okay, is through cutted. Now I need to here is 8 pattern, and same choose this circle here face and this, make it pattern first circular pattern and click this outer circle. I need to 8 number of pattern, mention this 8. Okay, okay. See, here is pattern is created. Now last one is see here is a radius. Okay, first click inner circle edge. Here is option fillet. See, I need to 10 radius is fillet. Here is already mentioned it. Okay, fillet. See, our design is completely ready. Anyway, if you want, you can make this your material color. First, here is option appearance. Here is the many options. First, click appearance. Here is metal. Uh, See, here is a brass titanium. This look good. Okay. See. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and make a more practice.